Hello everyone. We start by logging into ElevenLabs. Go to Voices, click on Add a new voice, and select Professional Voice Clone. Next, you'll see an instructional guide with a lot of useful information about the AI training process. I recommend reading it carefully. Accept the terms of service and click Start. In the next window, begin by naming your professional voice clone and selecting the language it will be configured in. The next step is the most important. To train our voice clone, we need to provide it with audio samples of our voice. These samples should be recorded in the final tone and quality we want the clone to maintain. It's crucial to record them with a good microphone in an acoustically treated room, or at least in a quiet space with minimal ambient noise and bare walls. ElevenLabs requires at least 30 minutes of audio to train a worthwhile clone. For this tutorial, I recorded my voice of a few minutes using Audacity. You can use any program you prefer as long as you record in WAV format with a sample rate of 48,000 Hz. I record in 32-bit float, but 24-bit works fine too. Once the audio is recorded, split it into files no longer than 30 minutes each and export them into a folder. Upload these files to the designated box in the ElevenLabs window. If you're not happy with the audio quality, you can click Remove Background Noise from Audio Samples. After uploading, label your voice clone for easy identification, assign it a description, and start training. Once ElevenLabs completes the AI training, it will ask you to verify that you own the voice by reading a short text displayed on the screen. Congratulations, your voice clone is verified and ready to go.